Hi there. I'm going to show you a Steam must be running to play this game fix. Let's begin. So there are different things that you can try to do. If you get that error, what you want to do now is look for Steam here when you click on this upward arrow at the taskbar. And then look for Steam, look for the Steam icon. Then you're going to right click on that, and then you're going to click on Exit Steam. Then another thing to do would be to go to your taskbar and then look for any programs which are running in the background called Steam. So another thing that you can try to do is you can go to your taskbar and then open up Task Manager. So you can just right click there and then select Task Manager, but I already have it open. So once it's open, look for any programs which are called Steam or any other services which is Steam based. So Steam Client Web Helper, I'm going to right click on that and then I'm going to click on End Task. Then I'll scroll down a bit. Then look for any other Steam. See, Steam 32-bit. So you're going to right click on that and task. Then Steam Client Web Helper and right click and task. And then try to open Steam and see if the game is going to run. Now the last option would be to go to your settings and then go to the app section in settings and then look for the Steam app. And then what you want to do is go to the right side here, click on these three dots. And then you're going to click on uninstall and then try to reinstall Steam again and then log into your account and your problem should be fixed. And there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.